Today we will discuss third lesson, safety first. Subtopic, safety at school. Subtopic, how to be safe in the school. Safety at school. Okay. In schools, accidents can happen when children run and push each other. How to avoid these accidents? Today we learn. Okay. First point, do not rush up. Do not rush up or down the stairs or down the stairs or steps, down the stairs. You may fall and you may fall or and hurt yourself and others okay. First point, do not rush up or down the stairs. You may fall and hurt yourself and others. Do not climb the desk. Do not climb the desk or chairs in the classroom Do not climb the desk or chairs. And next point, do not throw things. Do not throw away things. Pencils, erasers, books, do not throw. Okay. Next point, do not run in classroom. Do not run the classroom. Do not run in the classroom. Do not run the classroom. Don't push others. Do not push others or your friends. Okay, do not push. First point, today we discuss safety at school. In first point, do not rush up or down the stairs. You may fall and hurt yourself and others. Second point, do not climb the desk or chairs. Do not throw away things. Do not run the classrooms. In the middle of the classrooms, do not run. Do not push others. It is a safety points at school. Next, safety on the playground. Safety on the playground. Follow the rules while you playing game. Okay children, while you playing game, you can follow the rules. Okay. Next one, wait for your turn at rights. Wait for your turn for rights or at rights. Safety on the playground. Do not push others in playground. Follow the rules while you playing games. Wait for your turn at rights. Don't hit your friends. Okay. You can play the game. Don't hit bat or ball your friends. Next one, safety at swimming pool. Safety at swimming pool. Safety at swimming pool. Use a swimming tube. Use a swimming tube. Use a swimming tube. Use a swimming tube for swimming. Use a swimming tube for swimming. SWIMMING, swimming. Use a swimming tube for swimming. And if you are not expert for swimming, expert for swimming, if you are not expert for swimmer, and always swim in the always swim in the presence of adult. Swim in the presence of adult. Okay children, these are the safety rules at swimming pool. Once again I said, swimming pool, use a swimming tube for swimming. If you are not expert for swimmer, always swim in the presence of adult. Once again I repeat you, use a swimming tube for swimming. If you are not expert in swimming for swimmer, always swim in the presence of adult. Adult means your parents. Okay, your parents. Okay. Next, safety on the road. Safety on the road. road. Safety on the road. Follow traffic rules for your own safety and the safety of others. You can follow the rules. You are safe, and your friends and others also can save children. Follow the traffic rules for your own safety and the safety of others. You can follow the rule. You and others also safe. Next, carelessness on the road can cause accident. Don't carelessness children on the road. Okay, it's cause accidents. Okay, accidents also cause accidents. What? Yes, life and properties. Next, to avoid such accidents, this type of accidents you can avoid children. How can we avoid these accidents? We can follow the rules. Rules. Okay. Next, first one, walk on the footpath. Always we walk on the footpath children. Side of the road, side is footpath. Walk on the footpath, the safe side of the road. Okay, what is the footpath? Safe side of the road. It is a safe side of the road. Safe side anamata. Road pakkana dani footpath antam. Walk on the footpath. Next, cross the road only at the zebra crossing. It is a zebra crossing children. It is a zebra crossing. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. You can cross the road. You can see first, look at your right, and then to your left, and then to your right again. Cross the road when the traffic stops. Cross the road when the traffic stops. Okay. Do not rush. Start out in time. Do not rush. Start out in time. Okay. Next, oral questions. Choose the correct answer. Accidents, fainting, insect bite causes harm to life and property. Which one harm to life and property causes harm to life and property? Accidents causes harm to life and property. Second one, do not touch electrical appliances, toys, utensils with wet hands. Which one is the correct answer? Very good. Electrical appliances. do not touch electrical appliances. Okay, do not touch electrical appliances with wet hands. Next, keep chemicals away from eatables, elders, thieves. Eatables. Keep chemicals away from eatables. Next, use a swimming tube for swimming, swinging, running. Which one we can use a swimming tube? Swimming. Use a swimming tube for swimming. Okay, children? Yes. Today homework, draw the traffic signal diagram. Today homework, draw the traffic lights. Draw the traffic lights. 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 Draw the traffic lights. Okay, children? Thank you.